So unconscious bias, I love simple definitions, and the one here that I just want to, is inflexible belief. So it's a belief that I'm not even aware of that's inflexible. One example of an unconscious bias that I notice, now I'm conscious of it, is when I'm on airplanes, the cockpit door opens and out comes the female pilot. I still find myself surprised at times, even though intellectually I know that women fly commercial jets like men, it's this notion that that's still the domain of males. And I'm not even aware of that. So lots of times I bump into unconscious bias when I get surprised by something, because what it tells me is that there's a data set that I thought it was going to be X, and it's Y. So that's usually I've bumped into some form of unconscious bias. Now, having unconscious bias does not make you and I bad people. Being unconscious of the bias can cause problems both at work and in personal life, where if I start to equate my bias with my truth, which then becomes the truth, and I hang out with everybody at work that also believes the same way I do, we can start to have a little bit of a train wreck with how we think, group think, all those studies that have gone on about just sort of doing the same things over and over, definition of insanity.